In the realm of modern business, efficiency and productivity reign supreme. Enterprises constantly seek innovative solutions to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance performance. One such groundbreaking technology that has emerged to revolutionize traditional workflows is robotic process automation, RPA. With its ability to automate repetitive tasks and processes, RPA is rapidly reshaping industries and redefining the future of work. Robotic process automation (RPA) is a technology that uses software robots or bots to automate routine tasks, which traditionally required human intervention. In the world of finance, RPA is becoming a game changer, offering significant benefits such as cost reduction, improved compliance, and increased productivity. Understanding robotic process automation. At its core, robotic process automation employs software robots or bots to mimic human actions within digital systems. These bots are programmed to execute rule-based tasks, interact with applications, manipulate data, and communicate with other systems, all without human intervention. Unlike traditional automation solutions, RPA does not require complex integrations or significant changes to existing IT infrastructure. Instead, it operates at the user interface level, interfacing directly with applications much like a human user would. The role of RPA in finance. Finance departments are often burdened with repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as data entry, reconciliation, report generation, and transaction processing. RPA can take over these tasks, freeing up finance professionals to focus on more strategic activities. For instance, an RPA bot can be programmed to extract data from invoices, enter it into an accounting system, and then reconcile it against bank statements. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the risk of human error. Benefits of RPA in finance. Cost reduction. By automating routine tasks, RPA can help finance departments reduce operational costs. Bots can work 24/7 without breaks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Improved compliance. RPA can improve compliance by maintaining detailed logs of all activities, making it easier for auditors to verify compliance with financial regulations and standards. Challenges and considerations. While RPA offers numerous benefits, it's not without challenges. Successful implementation requires careful planning and consideration. Organizations need to identify the right processes for automation, ensure proper integration with existing systems, and manage change effectively to ensure buy-in from all stakeholders. The future landscape. As technology continues to evolve, the future of robotic process automation promises even greater innovation and impact. Advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cognitive automation are expanding the capabilities of RPA, enabling bots to handle more complex tasks, make intelligent decisions, and interact seamlessly with humans. Furthermore, the convergence of RPA with other transformative technologies such as robotic automation, natural language processing, and predictive analytics is opening new possibilities for digital transformation and competitive differentiation. Enhancing operational efficiency. The implementation of robotics in finance has significantly enhanced operational efficiency by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Robotic process automation (RPA) has enabled financial institutions to automate data entry, transaction processing, and report generation, freeing up valuable human resources to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. By leveraging robotics, organizations can achieve higher levels of productivity and operational excellence, leading to a competitive edge in the market. Improving accuracy and compliance. One of the key advantages of robotics in finance is its ability to improve accuracy and ensure regulatory compliance. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, robotic systems can analyze vast volumes of financial data with precision, minimizing the risk of errors and discrepancies. Moreover, robotics plays a pivotal role in ensuring compliance with stringent regulatory requirements, thereby mitigating the potential for costly penalties and reputational damage. Empowering decision-making with advanced analytics. The integration of robotics in finance empowers organizations to harness the power of advanced analytics for informed decision-making. By leveraging robotics and artificial intelligence, financial institutions can gain valuable insights from complex datasets, enabling them to make data-driven decisions that drive business growth and profitability. From risk assessment and fraud detection to predictive modeling, robotics enables finance professionals to unlock actionable intelligence that fuels strategic decision-making. Streamlining customer experience. In an era where customer experience reigns supreme, robotics has played a pivotal role in streamlining and enhancing the overall customer journey in the financial sector. Through the implementation of chatbots, virtual assistants, and personalized recommendation engines, financial institutions can deliver seamless and personalized experiences to their clients, fostering greater satisfaction and loyalty. Enhancing operational workflows. The incorporation of robotics in finance has redefined operational workflows, empowering organizations to automate repetitive tasks and optimize resource allocation. Robotic process automation (RPA) has enabled financial institutions to streamline back-office operations, such as data entry, reconciliation, and report generation, thereby freeing up valuable human resources to focus on more strategic initiatives. By leveraging RPA, finance professionals can mitigate the risk of errors and significantly reduce processing times, leading to enhanced operational efficiency and cost savings. Revolutionizing risk management. The utilization of robotics in finance has revolutionized risk management practices, equipping organizations with advanced tools to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks. Through the implementation of robotic risk assessment models, financial institutions can analyze vast datasets in real time, enabling proactive risk identification and management. Additionally, robotics has facilitated the development of sophisticated fraud detection algorithms, bolstering security measures and safeguarding financial assets against fraudulent activities. The integration of robotics in risk management has thus elevated the resilience and integrity of financial operations, fostering a secure environment for both organizations and clients. Elevating customer experience. The advent of robotics in finance has ushered in a new era of personalized and seamless customer experiences. By harnessing the capabilities of chatbots and virtual assistants, financial institutions can offer round-the-clock support to clients, addressing inquiries, and providing tailored financial guidance. Moreover, the integration of robotics has enabled the automation of customer onboarding processes, expediting account openings and enhancing the overall onboarding experience. Through the amalgamation of robotics and artificial intelligence, finance organizations can deliver hyper-personalized services, catering to the unique needs and preferences of individual clients, thereby fostering long-term customer loyalty and satisfaction. Embracing technological advancements. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, the embracement of technological advancements, including robotics, has become imperative for organizations seeking to maintain a competitive edge. The convergence of robotics, machine learning, and data analytics has empowered finance professionals to glean actionable insights from complex datasets, driving informed decision-making and strategic planning. Furthermore, the integration of robotics has facilitated the development of predictive analytics models, enabling organizations to anticipate market trends, optimize investment strategies, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. In an era defined by digital disruption and rapid change, robotic process automation emerges as a catalyst for organizational agility, efficiency, and innovation. By harnessing the power of automation, businesses can unlock new opportunities, drive operational excellence, and stay ahead in today's dynamic marketplace. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more finance tips and tricks. Remember, the key to financial success is to take control of your finances and make smart decisions with your money. It's never too late to start, so take the first step today and start building a brighter financial future for yourself. I'll see you next time.